because I have a long commute, but I just love what they can do.
Yeah, and there are a lot of cool cars there.
I know. I like those. I like to see the concept cars.
Yeah,
But do we need a convertible or not right about now?
No. No, not right now. Maybe, in the long run. But
kind of a day where you could drive with the top down, though?
Actually, today, yes. Tomorrow, probably not. You may want to put the top up. Your soft top up, right? And that's because we have a series of low pressure systems starting to roll overhead. We're going to see a little bit more moisture as we head into the start of the work week. So for MLK Monday, it's not going to be quite as warm as what we felt today. It was a little hazy today, but at least we saw a little bit more of the sunshine. Tomorrow, different story. You can already start to see it here. This is our Long Beach camera showing that the clouds are starting to move in, and we're looking at increasing cloud cover, mostly cloudy as we head into the overnight hours. Here's a look right now at the radar. Pretty quiet at the moment, but take a look at what it's picking up just to the north of us. In the Bay Area, we're actually looking at some showers starting to move in from the system coming in from the Pacific Northwest. Temperature-wise, outside here in Southern California, roughly in the mid-60s for Riverside, 60 for Santa Ana, 58 for downtown LA, and 64 currently for Van Nuys. And we do have some breezy conditions as we wait for the system to move in. Some more of that sea breeze starting to pick up. 11-mile-per-hour winds for downtown LA, 12 for Santa Ana, and we are expecting possibly some more of that patchy dense fog to move in, sort of like what we saw early this morning. We did have a dense fog advisory early this morning, so we could see more of that as we head into the early morning hours of tomorrow. So this will be a weak cold front moving in as we head into Monday. We could see the possibility of some very light rain moving in. If we do see any rain, about 1/10 of an inch or less. Here's a look right now at the futurecast. So all the clouds start to move in as we head into the early morning hours of Monday, and then we start to see that cold front moving in. So late morning into the early afternoon, we'll start to feel possibly maybe some sprinkles, maybe some light rain for areas like the Santa Clarita Valley, West LA, the South Bay, South LA, as we head into the evening hours. Then we start to see a little bit more of the raindrops move in as we head into the mountain communities tomorrow evening. And as we head into the early part of Tuesday, a little bit of a break, and then we get a second round possibly to see some more of the light rain moving in. So here's a look at what's happening tomorrow. There is some energy moving in from the system, and then again we could maybe see some light rain, 1/10 of an inch or less, and then another impulse moves in by Tuesday afternoon into the evening. This again could generate some very light rain. If we do see any cumulative for both days, about 1/10 of an inch or less. Then right behind it, a ridge of high pressure pops up, so much warmer as we head into the middle of the week. And then by the end of the week, this is something we will continue to monitor late Friday into the early part of Saturday. Another chance for some rain, and then maybe possibly on Sunday. Highs for tomorrow, slightly cooler than today. Today we topped out right where we should be this time of year, upper 60s. Tomorrow, mid-60s for Reseda, 62 for Santa Monica, 63 for East LA, 63 for Baldwin Park, 66 for Villa Park, and mid to low 60s for the Inland Empire, 62 for Montclair. Extended outlook shows again the possibility for some light rain tomorrow in the afternoon, early evening, and then another shot as we head into the latter part of Tuesday. Drier, much warmer with the 70s popping up by Thursday for both LA and Orange County, and also for our inland valleys. Back to you.